Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Alice, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on firm fixed price contracts, or what we call FFP. What is a firm fixed price contract? A firm fixed price contract provides for a price that is not subject to any adjustment on the basis of the contractor's cost experience in performing the contract. A firm fixed price contract falls under Federal Acquisition Regulation 16.2. This contract type places upon the contractor maximum risk and full responsibility for all costs and resulting profit or loss. It also provides maximum incentive for the contractor to control costs and perform effectively, and imposes a minimum administrative burden upon the contracting parties. When should you use a firm fixed price contract? A firm fixed price contract should be used for acquiring commercial items, supplies, or services on the basis of defined requirements when the contracting officer can establish fair and reasonable prices at the outset. It is best to use a firm fixed price contract when there is adequate price competition. There are reasonable price comparisons with prior purchases of the same or similar supplies or services made on a competitive basis. Available cost or pricing information allows realistic estimates of the probable costs of performance. Performance uncertainties can be identified and reasonable estimates of their cost impact can be made. And finally, the contractor is willing to accept a firm fixed price representing the assumption of the risks involved. What types of firm fixed price contracts are available? There are a few different types of firm fixed price contracts that can be utilized. These types include fixed price contracts with economic price adjustment. This contract provides for upward and downward revision of the stated contract price upon the occurrence of specified contingencies. Fixed price incentive contracts. This contract provides for adjusting profit and establishing the final contract price by a formula based on the relationship of final negotiated total cost to total target cost. Fixed price contracts with prospective price redetermination. This contract provides for the initial period of contract deliveries or performance, prospective redetermination, at a stated time or times during the performance, of the price for subsequent periods of performance. Fixed ceiling price contracts with retroactive price redetermination. This contract provides for fixed ceiling price retroactive price redetermination within the ceiling after completion of the contract. Firm fixed price level of effort term contracts. This contract provides a specified level of effort, over a stated period of time, on work that can be stated only in general terms, and the government to pay the contractor a fixed dollar amount. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the firm fixed priced contracts. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.